Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift is coming to Universal Studios Hollywood in 2026! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Today, we're breaking down two massive updates coming from the Universal Parks, a high-speed revolution in Hollywood, and big changes coming to Universal Orlando in Florida. Let's dive into the family-sized details in today's video. Universal Studios Hollywood just dropped a first-look trailer and concept art for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift, opening in 2026. A full-throttle, outdoor roller coaster built for speed and thrills. The coaster will hit 72 miles per hour over 4,100 feet of track, making it the fastest ride in Universal's entire lineup. Each ride vehicle spins 360 degrees, drifting through turns like racers in the film. Guests will board iconic movie-style cars, including Dom's 1970 Dodge Charger, as they queue through a custom garage-themed structure. One of the ride cars was unveiled today during Universal's mega movie summer press event in Hollywood. Built by Intamin, the minds behind the Velocicoaster in Universal's Islands of Adventure, this coaster will soar around the upper lot and above the iconic Hollywood escalator. Fun fact, Universal Studios Hollywood is actually split up between an upper and lower lot, thanks to its hillside layout. The lower section is home to the famous Studios Tour, and in that middle area, where the escalators are, is where this attraction will be built. Now, let's shift gears from Hollywood to Orlando, where another coaster is bowing out. After nearly 16 years, Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit will officially close to fans on August 18th of 2025. This will be your last chance to rock out on this 65-mile-per-hour music-powered coaster. First launched in 2009, the ride became known for its towering vertical lift and custom song selection. Over time, it did gain a rough ride reputation, and its once robust music library was trimmed down significantly. Universal has already filed permits for a two-story, 39,000 square foot structure on the ride's current footprint. Some speculate that Universal may be pulling a familiar move, buying two of the same ride systems from Intamin. This is similar to what they did over at the Florida parks for Reign of Kong and Fast and Furious Supercharged. Now there are two main rumors expected to replace this attraction. There's a pretty big Easter egg right here, and then of course there's already an existing attraction in this park that not everyone loves, but we'll see if this replaces it. So now I wanted to mention, I love the Ghostbusters franchise. I really am hoping that this attraction is replaced by the Ghostbusters, so I guess we'll have to wait and see. Obviously, rumors and speculations are abound here, so. New rumors are heating up, some suggesting the new coaster will be Ghostbusters themed. According to Amusement Insider on YouTube, the ride would use the same spinning coaster system as the new Hollywood Drift ride. The entrance would be located at the old Ghostbusters Spooktacular Show entrance, which is in the New York section of the park. This currently shows the original firehouse facade, which is still standing today. Adding flames to this rumor's fire, the construction walls have been given a Ghostbusters green paint scheme and a sign stating a restoration of the historic Engine 89 firehouse is taking place. Construction permits show that the replacement attraction will follow nearly the same path as Rip Ride Rockit, and potentially including a massive spike feature that shoots out into City Walk, which is actually currently under construction. Now, as usual, Universal has not confirmed anything yet, but all signs point to a thrilling new experience on the horizon. Universal is buckling in, Hollywood's getting its fastest spinning ride ever, and Orlando is prepping for a major transformation where Rip Ride Rockit currently stands. Now, what do you want to see? A Ghostbusters thrill ride? Another Fast and Furious entry? Something brand new? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coaster news and park updates. I'll see you on the next ride. This has been Charlie, and this has been your Park Report.